Oh, no, 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 no.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
This shit looks clean. So fresh and so clean. Like, that's what I'm talking about. What's good, YouTube? I've been looking mad dusty. I'm starting by outlining the sides, making sure not to go all the way back. This will make the blend come together fully. As you cut, brush out the blades to get the best cut possible. Now I'm using the open blade, barely scooping past the outline I made. Take this as a sign the cut is finna be drippy.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
Take the 2 guard to bring down the double hairline. The 2 guard is then used all around as a buffer between the faded area and then when I want to like grow out more. It's like diagonal from my ear, as you guys can see a little bit. Next, I'm using the 1 open for the dark to light transition. I want my sides to have a dark lineup, so I'm not going all the way up this time. Now I'm going with the 0 guard open. Going over the fade with no guard is time consuming to get that perfect blend, but trust me, it's well worth it. All their products will be linked below, so make sure you click on that. The back was the hardest part to angle and situate. To make it easier, I'm following the outline from my previous haircut. The over the ear area is always the trickiest, especially when cutting yourself. So that's where I struggle at too. So I'm always trying on different like wrist angles to get that line perfected and crispy.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
Take a snack break if needed, because this is mad long. I shouldn't have gone so high up with the outliners. You'll see why in a second. It's not a bad start, but because I used the open blade next, I went too high.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
The two guard is like the transition between what I want to grow out and what I want cut down. I'm not perfect, so comment below any techniques you use to cut your own hair at home. Let me know. I'm always down to hear new things. I know I already have a few guides out, but this has everything in it. It's like an all-in-one. So that's why I wanted to drop it for y'all.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
To get that perfect blend requires a lot of blade flicking and a lot of special covert maneuvers, but eventually it gets there to that point you want. Which then leads us to the barber pencil that I just got in the mail. This is my first time trying these, so stay tuned. Look how crisp that is, man. I think that's really crisp. Even back in school, I was always good at drawing, so this was kind of easy to line up. Shout out TFRAAZ for these beats.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
Crafty. And then next you're supposed to go in with the outliners. You're supposed to make the line go and merge with the skin. The pencil is like a lighter brown and my skin's brown, so it'll merge up eventually once I just keep hitting it with the outliners. With the pencil on there, I can make sure the ear area lines up perfectly with it.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
Shout out to my boy AJ. He told me that it must be so hard to cut myself. And honestly guys, he wasn't lying. Now you can obviously see which side is better, but I don't even care. It gets repetitive, but you can see this line disappear slowly.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
The shavers are just another layer to add. Well, to remove in this case. underhand is better than overhand. Even though I don't have much facial hair, it makes a difference when lining it up. Now I'm looking at how it looks with my hair up and making necessary adjustments and just keep bringing that line to how I want it.
This shit wavy.
To get the style back, I'm just going to be following my normal method. Stay tuned. This is just normal water, nothing special. Anyone with curls will tell you shaking is a main ingredient. I probably already have a concussion, but it's whatever. I also use my hands to like pull it out and stretch it. So this is the 360 look. I broke my mirror in half for the cut, so I hope it was worth it. To me it was though. Most definitely. To get more curls and hang time, repeat the process as many times as you need to.
Yeah, it's mad crazy. Like, I do rock with it. I rock with it. 100. Like, it's pretty blendy. I gotta rock.
I'm usually busy cutting everybody else, so this cut really restored my confidence and brought me back to life. So because I use that 2 guard, the curls have some hair to lay on before they reach that bald fade line. Imagine if I just like, you know what I'm saying, just that the way, just cut it. No. I don't care what nobody say I'm doing this. So like you heard, I don't care what nobody say. I always touch on my eyebrows just a little bit.
TFRAAZ, this shit wavy.
I usually just focus on the corners, that way I don't mess up or like miscalculate the alignment.
clean. Yeah, it really look clean though. Like, so fresh and so clean. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.